I'm Krista Respaz with Maryland Public Television, and today we are going to talk about capacity. And we are going to do it by playing with water. I know you're thinking this could get messy, and it could, so it would be really fun to do outside on a warm day, or really the best place to play is in the bathtub. So I'm using glass containers so you are able to see what I'm doing, but of course you're going to want to use plastic with kids. So I colored the water with food coloring just to make it a little bit more fun and help the kids distinguish between the two different amounts of water. So I would start by asking kids, which do you think has more? It can be really hard for kids to determine water when it's in different size containers. They may tend to think this one has a little more because it's filled up higher, or some may think this one is more because it's a bigger container overall. So it's fun just to really experiment and get them thinking about it. Do they think either one of these will fit into a smaller container like this? And have them give it a try and see. So we try the red and it works. Great. So what do we think about the blue? How do we think it'll fit in here? Will it be halfway? Will it fill it up? How much do you think of the blue will fit in here? So try it out and talk about it. Let them predict what they think is going to happen, right? And so now, do they still think that this one is more or this one is more? So talk about those comparisons. And then finally, end with two containers that are the exact same size, so kids can very easily see that, as a matter of fact, we have 2 cups of liquid in each container. And they can see they're actually the same amount, right? So have fun, experiment doing this lots of different ways. You can even take the time to mix the two together and talk about what color do you think red and blue will make if we mix them together, and which container would both of these fit in. Let them make some predictions. It's okay if they spill if you're outside or in the bathtub, but just go ahead and give it a try and have fun with it. And voila, 4 cups of purple water. For more great activities, visit our at-home learning resources at npt.org/education.